Men are from QZ and women are from Alabang. Alright, so without further ado, let me introduce to you our stars, Marco Galo and MarVen. Come on in, everybody. A message for everyone.
Wow, hindi namin expect na wala ko pupunta. So, maraming salamat po sa pagpunta. And sana magustuhan niyo yung film. Yes, kung may mga tanong kayo, later meron pa tayong Q&A. Of course, gusto namin malaman kung ano yung mga thoughts nyo regarding sa film, whether it's gonna be good or bad. Of course, gusto namin marinig yan. And can't wait na malaman yung mga thoughts ninyo. Marco?
It's our first time to watch this film, so we're pretty excited to see it as well as much as you guys. And yeah, let's have fun.
Alright, thank you very much. And let's have, can I get your microphone? Let's have your photos taken right over here. Alright, sa center lang ba? Kita lahat. Alright, please face center. 3, 2, 1. One more, 3, 2, 1. This time a little to your right, please. Little to your right, 3, 2, 1. One more, 3, 2, 1. A little to your left. Of course, we have here joining.
So guys, that's the initial reaction of MarVen and Marco Gallio after watching their movie. Men are for QC and women are from Alabang. So, medyo teary-eyed pa sila at na-overwhelmed sa reaction ng mga tao after watching their film.
Alright, and this time we will have a quick Q&A. Mag-CR na po ang ating cast, writer and director. But yeah, to all of the influencers and the bloggers and press media, I would like to invite you to please come